Students, in the second video we were studying about the literals or operator literals or the constants. So literal or constants are nothing, these are the memory location. Okay, those values do not change during the execution of the program. Those are literals. So we have studies about numeric literals and string literals or character literals. Numeric constants or literal means, suppose a is equal to 5. So 5 is a numeric one. Okay, if we are writing char a is equal to b within single quote, so it is a character literal. So there may be different types of literals, but here in this video I am discussing about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic means everybody knows: plus, minus, multiplication, okay, division, and one more new operator is here in Java language, that is known as a modulus. This modulus, okay, I will explain you later on. So I am starting from plus. Plus operator is used for addition, everybody knows. Minus used for the subtraction. This asterisk sign used for the multiplication, and this is a division sign. Now come to the important, which is one is the new one. It is a modulus, that is a symbol of percentage sign. So what is the meaning of this one is to store remainder on division. To store remainder on division means, look at this example, 10 modulus 2. What is the interpretation of this statement is 10 will be divided by 2 and remainder will be stored. Means what this symbol does, what this modulus does in Java language, it store the remainder on division. So when 10 is going to divided by 2, so quotient is coming 5, but remainder is coming 0. So modulus function store the remainder on division. That is the important point. Next is assignment operator. Assignment means storing. Assignment means storing value into the memory location. So assignment means storing value into the memory location. So look at this example, a is equal to 5. So equal sign is a assignment, and assignment means storing. So 5 is going to store into memory location A. So this is a assignment operator. So listen me very carefully. Assignment operator means storing a value into the memory location. This operator is being used. Relational operator. There are different types of relational operator which is used for comparison, and first is the greater sign, second is the less than sign, next is the greater than or equal to. But in math sometimes you use greater than equal to this one, but in Java language if you are writing the Java statement you have to use only this one. This one will not work because it is used into the mathematics. So we are studying about Java language. Next is less than or equal to, next is not equal to, next is equal to. Means when we are going to compare two things for the equality, then we have to use these two equal operators. Okay, so this is very important. Now I will continue the next page, next video. Thank you.